Hello, Donna Tony Jet 625 Donna. Today we shall be checking the diameters. So essentially what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go back, close my doors as always, and as you know the problems with the doors are always the same. So I'm gonna bring her in closer. Yeah. Okay, so as you see the blade, and this is our blade. Yes, 2 plus. Yes. Now what we're gonna do, we will click this little button, which will be measuring the height of our tool class. So you see, she's doing that. She goes. Yes. Okay. Now we go back here. The number where you see 85.95, that is the number that changed. Somehow she grown for unknown reason, but essentially this is now machine knows what's the height of the 2 plus bit, the router. So the advice is that you do it quite regularly, because obviously of the wear and tear, so the bits are getting shorter. Same with the blade. If we click there, that's our blade. Again, similar type of icon, blink, and now she will be doing this with the blade. So as you can see, she touches, that little measuring tool does it, and now we are looking at that bit, which in case of the blade didn't change, which is brilliant. So yes, that's how you work out the height of the diameter of the blade and the height of the 2 plus element. That's it for now. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments, and see you soon. Bye.